morning! Welcome back to this new video of the Depth Success vlog. I'm his and Lead Deb, your host for today, and it's been long since we didn't put up any video, so we have an interesting video, or I don't know whether it's gonna be interesting or not, but it's our college 45th anniversary, so we are going to celebrate it today in the Bethel farm. I heard like that. I've never been there, so as I'm gonna explore a new place, so I thought of taking you along with me. So please watch till the end and enjoy the vlog, and let's see how the days goes. Here after I think almost 1.5 journey. How do you feel? I'm excited. And just since we are entering, so let's see how it's the campus. Okay. So be with us. Wow, papaya. And it's the right one. Yeah. Hi. What's wrong? Introduce
Hello.
yourself.
My name is Idu.
And
From Nagaland.
and you say your tribe also.
From Julian community.
Okay.
This is a simple tribe. And then a humble tribe. So,
Praise the Lord.
among all the Nagas, the most humble tribe is Julian. Kamsahamnida.
What's wrong?
Inauguration and dedication of our brand new restaurant. I'm going to hand the mic over to Mr. Prem, who's in charge of our farming and event.
Mr. Mohammed is a politician and DMK party. Please go on with the line.
So we're done with the inauguration program, and now we are going towards the community hall for a formal session.
last week, we're all praying, and God has blessed us this year with double the student. Now we
Look. Say hi. Are you tired?
Somehow,
Are you hungry?
yeah, so much hungry.
We're hungry, so we're going to attack. Attack. It's biryani, and I got my favorite leg piece here. We have sweets here. We have chicken fry here. Enjoy again, my dear. What did he say?
So it's supposed to be 2 or 3 degrees, but now because we opened the door,
Oh, that's nice. Now.
yeah, you can enter. Just don't touch.
To freeze. One monkey here. Done. Now we're going back to our college again. I mean hostel. 오죠. 전직대 보자구나. We are here. We're tired.
Cannot take chicken anymore. Yeah.
Oh my god. Place where we celebrated. Now we're going back. We're going somewhere. In Shalom what? Shalom Garden
Farm.
Shalom Farm. Shalom Farm. Hi. This is our handsome brother. Nice.
Oh, this is your park.
This is my park.
You understand?
Oh, nice, yeah. I wish we can just dive in. They should have informed us not to bring clothes extras. Yeah. I'll show you. Nice, yeah. Tagaya, Tagaya, Tagaya. Chin, 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 chin.
खेल सकता है खेल सकता है हम
Right now?
No.
Tired? Why are you tired? You want to go try that one? We'll go that side. Tired. That assurance. We got this. What is this?
The water is there, yeah.
Many are there, but we cannot carry now.
Really? Let's go back.
We're going back with this one. It's Amida. So we are tired already. We had a good time visiting Bethel farm and also like here the Shalom farm. All the farms are all under X organization. Today, like we learned that under X there are so many schools, high secondaries, and also there is Asta guitar where individuals are trained to make world-class guitars, and also farms are there, and so many other, like there is book publication, theological trust books, that is also under X. So so good to know that we are a part of a very big organization that is doing great in serving the Lord, in reaching out people. So we are inspired and we are also challenged to do better for like God's glory. And we had a good time, and I don't know, I think we will be leaving in a short while, so I'll end my vlog from here. I hope you enjoyed our vlog. Do continue to support this very humble channel, and also like keep us in your prayer. Yeah, thank you so much, and bye from my baby. Okay, bye, have a good day, and then enjoy.